Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can join your friend's game on Among Us. It's pretty simple. Now your friend needs to send you the game's code. So if I click on play and if I go on online, I can go in private and join my friend's game. So what I need to do is right below private, I need to click on enter code. Now whichever game or whichever lobby your friend created, the lobby is going to have a code. Ask your friend to send the code, and once your friend sends the code, enter the code over here and click on this button. Once you click on this button, if the code is correct, you will be able to join the game. Now remember, just entering the correct code over here is not going to make you enter the lobby. You also need to enter the correct server. So ask your friend which server the game is created. So if your friend created the game in European server, then basically if you enter the same code over here in Asian server, it's not going to work. You need to click on this globe, choose the server where your friend has created the game in, and then go and enter code and then enter the code and click on this arrow, then only you will be able to join the game. So that is how you guys can play with your friend. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step for future Among Us videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.